Hi, so it's 4:10 in the afternoon and I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat my lunch, which is Okenzo, which is tofu and broccoli with, I think this is eggplant. I'm eating in my room because I'm watching a series. It's titled New Amsterdam, which is a really nice one. So I'm eating in my room right now. So let's try it. So I just reheated it. It smells nice. I love tofu. The sauce tastes so bland. Oh, hi Kenzo. Tastes so bland. Sauce is it's like 3 out of 10. But I don't think I can eat it. Let's try the eggplant. So this is just boiled eggplant. I prefer the boiled eggplant rather than the tofu with the broccoli. Really tastes bad. So this is like maybe a 0 out of 10. It's really icky. Ugh. Anyway, I can't eat it. Hi! It's 7:57. It's time for din din. And I will be having salad. It's citrus salad with cashew and vinaigrette. Shake, shake. Oh, it's sesame. Sesame. Seems like true. Why are you laughing, Sophia? My nephew, my niece is laughing at me. So let's check this out. So there's a lot of oranges. I'm not a fan of orange, but it's refreshing. It's not bad. You wanna try, Sophia? Super yummy. And since this afternoon I wasn't happy with my food, I couldn't help it, but I'm craving for cheese. Anyway, so I bought this low carb bread, almond bread, and I still have cheese from Holland, and I prepared truffle cheese. It's so good. After all these kind of food, I just miss sometimes a nice cheese. Happy dance with low carb bread, almond low carb bread. Yum 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 yum, lekker lekker. So I'll finish this, and then tomorrow is my last day, and then I'll prepare my own food. See ya.